Hi friends, myself Manoj Kumar. Today we like to talk about events in web technology. Event. At first we need to know what is an event. An event is something which makes an action related to user. An example for this event is an user filled an online application form and wants to submit it. Here the submit button is set to be an event. In the video you may observe a reset button and a submit button. The submit button is used to submit the online application form which was filled, whereas the reset button is used to clear the data in application form. This can be seen in the picture when I press the reset button. Now we will talk about event handlers. We have two types of event handlers. One is user interactive event handler and the other is a non-interactive event handler. Let's talk about user interactive event handler. This event handler is dependent on user. An example for this event handler is we use mouse to select something on screen. Here, without the help of user, the system itself cannot access the mouse to select something on screen. The next one is a non-interactive event handler. This event handler is independent of user. In this event handler, the system itself makes an action related to user. An example for this event handler is loading a page on browser. This can be seen in the picture. Now let's talk about types of events. We have 5 types of events: keyboard event, mouse event, window event, form event, and the image event. This can be seen in the picture, but here we are going to see some example programs on mouse events. As we already know that there are 4 mouse events, but here we are going to see 3 mouse events. They are on mouse over, on mouse out, and on click. Let's see an example program on mouse over and on mouse out. As you can see the coding, this is a program of change in color and a font as the mouse moves. Let's check the output. As you can see the output, it is in constant state. Now when I move my mouse cursor onto the text of the output, it changes the color to red and the font to monotype cursiva. And again when I move my mouse cursor out of the text of the output, it changes its color to blue and the font to italic. Now let's see an example program on click. As you can see the coding, in this, whenever we click on the confirm button, it shows an alert message. Let's get into the output. As you can see the output, there is only a confirm button. Now we will press it with the help of a mouse, and it shows an alert message called your application is confirmed. This is the basic information of events.